Join me as I challenge myself to create a delicious meal using only olive oil and sea salt, and see how it transforms my cooking game tonight. Olive oil and sea salt, two of the most humble ingredients in our pantry, yet they hold the power to completely transform the way we cook and live. In fact, incorporating them into our daily routines can have a profound impact on our health and well-being. But before we dive into the amazing benefits, I want to ask you, are you getting the most out of these two culinary superheroes? I think a lot of us have been misled when it comes to cooking oils and seasonings. We're often led to believe that fancy schmancy oils and exotic spices are the key to elevating our dishes, but the truth is, simplicity can be incredibly powerful. I mean, think about it. How often do we reach for the same old vegetable oil or salt without a second thought? But what if I told you that these common staples are actually holding us back from unlocking the true potential of our food? We've all been guilty of it, grabbing that bottle of generic oil off the shelf without considering the impact it could have on our health. But olive oil, on the other hand, is a game changer. It's rich in antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, and can even help lower cholesterol levels. And let's not forget about sea salt. This natural wonder is packed with essential minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium. It's amazing how two simple ingredients can have such a profound impact on our well-being. But there's more to it than just health benefits. Olive oil and sea salt can completely transform the flavor profile of our dishes. Imagine taking a bland, boring meal and turning it into a culinary masterpiece with just a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. It's incredible, right? And the best part is, these ingredients are ridiculously versatile. From sautéing vegetables to making salad dressings, the possibilities are endless. So, what's the biggest misconception about olive oil and sea salt? I think a lot of people assume that they're only suitable for fancy, high-end dishes, but the truth is they're incredibly accessible and can elevate even the simplest of meals. In fact, I've found that using olive oil and sea salt in my everyday cooking has actually simplified my cooking process. I mean, who needs a million different oils and spices when you have two ingredients that can do it all? But here's the thing. There's still so much we don't know about olive oil and sea salt. Did you know that olive oil can actually help reduce inflammation in the body? Or that sea salt can help detoxify our skin and hair? The more I learn about these ingredients, the more I realize how underrated they are. It's time we give them the recognition they deserve. One surprising fact that blew my mind is that olive oil can actually help preserve food. Yep, you heard that right. It's a natural preservative that can extend the shelf life of our food. And let's not forget about the flavor. Olive oil can enhance the natural flavors of our ingredients instead of overpowering them. It's incredible to think about how something so simple can have such a profound impact on our cooking. But the benefits don't stop there. Olive oil has even been shown to improve heart health, reduce the risk of certain diseases, and even support brain function. And sea salt? It's essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure, supporting immune function, and even reducing stress levels. It's amazing to think about how two ingredients can have such a significant impact on our overall well-being. As we continue to explore the world of olive oil and sea salt, I want to leave you with one final thought. What would happen if we started prioritizing these ingredients in our daily routines? How would our health, our cooking, and our lives change as a result? The possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to continue this journey with you. Before I sign off, I want to hear from you. What are some of your favorite uses for olive oil and sea salt? Do you have a go-to recipe that you just can't live without? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more cooking tips and health insights, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next video.